19th of December.
Excited!
Here it is, it's your turn.
What have we got? It's actually a motorhome.
No way.
It is! So you just wish you could be away. Hello! Well, it's the 20th of December, so this is our Christmas vlog, and we're here in the lakes.
Hello.
Not far to go, and we're staying in Keswick. Wow, we've arrived at the site in Keswick, and we've got a waterfront pitch. Oh yeah, perfect. We're going to head into town now anyway, and do a bit of last minute Christmas shopping because Andy's slightly late with his shopping.
Well, I haven't started yet.
And then get a bite to eat, aren't we? So yeah. We'll take you into Keswick with us.
Have you got sausage roll envy? Well, that was nice.
Delicious.
So that was the Treby and Bolton, which is at the back of this shop just here, which we'll see in a moment. We actually walked through the shop first, down the stairs into the cafe, but you can get in from the side.
Oh, that's pretty. Real ales.
Oh, shall we go in there?
Mulled wine and gin.
Oh, you're tempting me.
Let's go. Cheers!
Cheers.
Merry Christmas! Cheers, mate!
Cheers.
Having a theme to this vlog, isn't there? A pub with a fire.
And I've got the Christmas tipple, and it tastes a bit like turkey and stuffing. So.
Oh, pretty!
Well, it's been a while since we've been out on the e-bikes. Here we go. It's going to be a cold one. The cloud base is quite low and the ride is quite high, so chances are we're going to get wet as well. But it's a national cycle networks, so hopefully no issues with bad tracks.
So you can see we've got Blencathra over there in the distance under the mist.
Oh, even the bus stops are dressed up for Christmas.
So we're in Threlkeld coffee shop. Half-eaten cake. Can't believe they give you a half-eaten cake. And they got a little Christmas tree. Oh my god, I'm getting in bed. What time was that? Oh! we're back home. The water's not risen, so that's always a positive sign.
Yeah. It hasn't really gone down, has it? It's still quite high.
Yeah.
Last time we came here, all this, there was no water. We was walking along it. In fact, I'll put a picture in now of what it looked like a year ago when we were here in April.
See cat bells?
Yeah.
There.
Beautiful.
Stunning.
This is or pigeon and black pudding.
Okay. Wow. Yeah. Cool, feel the heat.
This looks quite a feast.
Well, came out for quiet meals
Date
tonight.
night! Drink night!
But then something happened.
It's a new press today, these vloggers here.
Good morning!
Good morning.
Well, we've woken up and it's so much brighter. Look around at the views. Just stunning. So excited for today.
We're going to try and walk
Yeah.
up Blencathra, but we need to get the bus there because it's too far to walk over there, but we're going to walk back.
We're here at the bus stop outside Booths, and we found there's no buses running on Sunday until 6 tonight, so that's not going to get us to our destination. So we're now ringing Davies Taxis.
Very pretty.
Yeah.
So here we are, start of the walk up Blencathra. Well, the sun might be out, but the conditions on the top are not looking good. As you can see up there, there's full cloud cover and it's dangerous to go up, so we're going to take the safe decision and leave it for another day. Take a photo. That's brilliant. Oh, that's such a shot. Oh my goodness. Well, it looks like a couple of landslides in front of us are blocking our way. Nothing is easy here, but if we fall straight down there, this is no good. Well, that was a bit tricky. The route was blocked with lots of things like the sign down there. So we've had to make our own way across lots of fences, etc. to get to this point. But we're now next to the road, so all should be okay. Uh-oh. This doesn't look good. Oh, where do we go? Well, back in civilization again. Couldn't film the last half an hour because after the motorway bridge we had to go some places you're not supposed to go, so I couldn't put it on film.
Indiana moves. Eat your heart out.
It felt like the Great Escape. Wow. Hungarian goulash. This is going to go down really well. We're in the dog and gun, back in Keswick. Warming up, drying off.
Definitely a good winter warm, I would say that is.
That was good. Well, it's a very breezy one today, but it's not raining, so that's good. We'll walk out alongside Durham Water. Hopefully, not have any dramas today. Famous last words.
Feeling super festive.
We've got Santa with us. And already we can see the ferry terminal, which we're not catching today because it's not running because of the bad conditions. We're going to walk over behind it. But yeah, super handy from the campsite to get here. So here's the ferry. You've got a moustache.
I know. I'm growing it.
After you.
Thank you.
You can see cat bells over there. It's windy up there. Looks like the footpaths disappeared underwater over there. So we're coming up here, hopefully to get around.
Oh baby, look at that view. Steep climb. Well, there's a gradual climb. Guess which one Andy wants to do.
Blencathra over there, and Skiddle over here, and cat bells are just behind us. Lots of great walks around here to do. Now heading down into the valley. Should be out of this wind soon. I'm back in Keswick. About another mile to go, I think.
leave, and we decided to leave early. It's going to rain tomorrow. So, saying goodbye to Keswick. Early. So that rounds up our vlog, our Christmas special, and we just want to say a big thank you for all your support during 2019, and lastly, a very Merry Christmas
and a Happy New Year.
Thanks all. Bye.